How to use ChatGPT for IT support. ChatGPT can be a useful tool for IT support in a variety of ways. Here are a few ways to use ChatGPT for IT support. 1. Troubleshooting. You can use ChatGPT to help troubleshoot common IT problems. For example, if you're having trouble with your computer or software, you can ask ChatGPT for help in identifying and resolving the issue. 2. Technical assistance. You can use ChatGPT to get technical assistance with specific IT tasks, such as configuring a network, setting up a new device, or installing software. 3. Knowledge base. ChatGPT can be used as a knowledge base for IT support. You can ask ChatGPT for information on common IT topics such as network security, cloud computing, or programming languages. 4. Training. ChatGPT can be used for training purposes. For example, you can use ChatGPT to learn how to use a new software program or to get tips and tricks for optimizing your workflow. Overall, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for IT support, providing quick and convenient access to a wealth of technical knowledge and expertise. Here are some reliable resources that can provide more information on using ChatGPT for IT support. Troubleshooting with chatbots, a review and practitioner's guide. This research paper provides an overview of the use of chatbots for troubleshooting in IT support and discusses best practices for designing effective chatbot systems. The benefit support. This article from IT Pro Today discusses the advantages of using chatbots for IT support, including improved efficiency and cost savings. Chatbots for IT support. This article from the Harvard Business Review discusses how chatbots are being used for IT support and how they can help organizations reduce costs and improve customer service. Chatbot-based IT support, best practices and use cases. This article from Chatbots magazine provides insights and best practices for using chatbots for IT support, as well as examples of successful use cases.